Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, March 8th. It's the morning after the storm. Looking out my basement window, you can see everything is covered. Trees are bent over, trees snapped, bushes are down. It's just a white mess of wet snow out there. Let's go upstairs and take a look out the front window. Everything is covered. That pine tree, it's way down pretty bad. These trees on the side, they're covered with that heavy wet snow. Over to the side, we have bushes that are pressed all the way down. And this maple tree, the branch was bent all the way to the ground this morning. It's 9 o'clock right now. I have to go out and feed the chickens. Normally I'm out a lot earlier than this, but I'm trying to time everything this morning, feeding the chickens, getting the little guy on the bus, 3-hour delay today, and doing the driveway. This way I get out of the house once, I stay out until I'm done. This morning I did have to take the dog out. The dog's got to go, and the dog's got to go. This is a barrel with a emergency supply of wood, and you can see the height of the snow. That's a 1-gallon milk jug. It's about an inch of snow on the bottom. So the snow covers just about the height of this gallon milk jug. It does look nice. If I could just sit by the fireplace and look out the window, it'd be a great day. Going to the back, my firewood sheds, they're still standing. It's kind of amazing. They were just thrown together with a couple of nails. They were made to take down easy. Out of wood in that end. It was a real cold winter. Now that it's warming up, we're getting all the snow. That tree that was leaning yesterday, it's actually touching the ground right now. See these other trees? Limbs are bent over. Some snapped off. Look how bent that is. Let's get over to the chicken coop. Look at this. These trees all have buds on them. Every one of these trees have buds on them. The good news is the coop is still standing. None of these trees fell on it. But before I go in, I have to shovel out by this gate so I can open this gate. Now that netting that's in there, last night when I walked the dog, there was about 5 inches of snow on that. I had to shake it to get it off, otherwise that netting would be all on the ground. I couldn't get to the other side of the chicken run, and most of the netting on the other side is ripped out. It's gonna have to redo that whole side again. Now let me shovel this out and get these boys and girls out and get them their food for the morning. Look at the snow, wet, heavy snow. The little guy will have fun when he comes home today making another snowman. I'm gonna take care of the chickens off camera. Alright, I'm back out front. Now I'm looking at a little over 300 feet of driveway that I have to clean out, and then half my day is over. In all seriousness, guys, I want to bring to your attention again TubeBuddy. It's a program that I'm using. I only used it a couple of times. I have a link to where you could download it for free and use it for free. There is a paid version, but you could use the free version, and it's not a trial. It's there to use. It's a tremendous time saver if you're producing videos. Take a few minutes, download it, check it out, and let me know how you like it. Well, everyone, that's a wrap. If you found this video entertaining or useful, let me know by posting your comments down below, giving it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay warm and stay safe.